Alright, I got a slab of drywall. I'm gonna be shooting and I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna use these two. I'm gonna do 6 and 6. Let's see if it leaves any marks and damage. I got this P90. That down. I just left dents. I left a dent on there too. And right there. Definitely went in. So the smoke right, dust right there. See that's on the wood.
Left that mark right here. See that one?
Oh yeah.
There's enough to make it through.
I'm gonna do this air rifle right here. I'm going to do Premier and the pointed and see if they're going to do any damage too. Wow. That was nice. Oh, I think, oh, it hit the edge part. That's why. I think it hit. It should have. Is that one right there? I think so. Oh yeah, it did. That was the Premier, the heavier one. That's the hole right there. And went through. Got the 22. Oh yeah, that one way bigger. Use that one too. This one. That was the Ultra Magnum. Yeah, heavier. One of the 22 caliber. That's the hole right there. A little low, hit that part. I think it still managed to knock on this. Let's hit, left a dent like that because it ricocheted. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Oh, right there's.
This one or that one?
I think that one was down there.
Oh, yeah, this one.
This one and right there. Sparrow. That's pretty much it.